Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys, I am going to show you guys screen timeout setting in your Technophone device. Guys, you want to increase guys your screen timeout. So guys, how can you increase? Guys, you can see guys your phone screen guys off within just a minute and few minutes seconds. And guys, you want to increase this screen timeout. So guys, you can increase. And guys, now let's see how to increase screen timeout in a Technophone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, we will have to come in our phone settings. So guys, I will click on my phone setting to increase screen timeout. So guys, you can see this type of setting. Then guys, scroll it and guys click on your phone display and brightness setting. Then guys click on guys your screen timeout setting. So guys, you can increase your screen timeout from here. So you want to increase guys in within 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes. So as you can increase from here. So as example for guys, if you take this 1 minute, so guys after 1 minute guys your screen time guys will off, means your phone screen will off. And guys, you want to increase in guys for 10 minutes. So as you can increase for 10 minutes from here. So after 10 minutes of inactivity means guys after 10 minutes guys your phone screen will off. So guys, time now guys 10:56. So guys 11:06 guys your phone screen will off automatic. So guys, like that guys, you can increase your screen timeout in your Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please comment, like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.